Today we're going to be featuring a bomb recipe, and I do say so myself because I had it, okay? And I'm just like, dear Father God. Welcome back to With a Pinch of Me, Steph. Hello. So today we're going to take a dive in the deep blue sea. We about to have the king crab leg, okay? Not Beyonce, even though we're going to be on these crab king legs, okay? We are cooking it up, meaning me and my friend, okay? Because he's chef with the pot boy too. A lot of people been conflicted with the whole shellfish frying with the shell and all that. And I'm with them. Fish cooker. The one time I tried to eat some crab legs, first of all, I tried it at the Chinese buffet. It was salty. And I started bleeding because the shell was so hard. I just was like, I don't know why people like this. All this work for no meat. Until I met the king baby. And I'm just like, God, grant me the funds so I can have this all the time. So, please sit back and relax and enjoy with a pinch of Steph and my whole boy. Everything will be in the description down below from the people in this video to this direction. But let's just get into the video. Y'all tired of me talking, right? I know y'all are. So let's get into it. Bye. We got a little, yes, we got that. Okay, boo-boo. Into it. I was a little angry. I had to bite it. You know what I'm saying? I had to act correctly, you know? Now let me stop, baby. You see how, yo, my arm, this has long. That is my arm, and I'm here for it, baby. All right, so we're going to quickly rinsing off our little king crab leg, thawing it out a little bit. The time that we pray and eat, so I'm going to get to cooking. This is the lime and lemon I'm using. This is the Haitian part of me. I got to make sure I sanitize my crab legs. Granted, it's probably clean already. But if you want something done well, you do it yourself. Water for about no more than 10 minutes. It's very good. It was at room temperature a little bit earlier. Look at it. How did they capture these things to kill them? These things look like dinosaurs. Like, come on. How did... Imagine this thing running to you. Yes. Yes, we're saving all these. Yum. Look at that. All that meat is in there. Don't throw that out, y'all. And here is the shears.
Nope.
That's just sexy. Look at that. And these are the knuckles that we're going to put in the fridge. We're not going to freeze it because we can't re-thaw it out. I don't trust it. So with that being said, we're going to cook this tomorrow. Al sharp day.
Al sharp day?
Al sharp day.
Al sharp day? Like what?
Nah. He ain't in this. He not in this. All right, y'all. So this is the beauty. Look at this. Look at these. These ain't chicken strips. I said chicken. This is crab strips. You feel me? This is amazing. Look at that. Okay, guys. Maybe I'm a little too excited, but seriously, look how clean that is. But this is the wine that my friend will be using for his sauce. So let's get it.
We're gonna make this nice wine butter sauce. You feel me? Make sure you add a little, we're gonna add a little olive oil to it. Butter is key, guys. Yeah, butter is very key. Boom. I hear that sizzle.
So my friend's gonna add a tablespoon or two. You know what? It looks about like 3. So he added about 3 minced tablespoons of garlic to the butter sauce. Next, he will be adding his nice little roughly chopped sweet white onions in addition to the butter and garlic. We're gonna speed this up and get to the next part. Now we're going to use pink Himalayan sea salt. It's coarse, so you don't want to go overboard with it. But we played it safe. We used sweet cream, unsalted butter. So less is more because you can always add salt at the end of it. Next, he's going to add a little onion powder. The onion powder also does not have salt. So you could add as much or as little as you please. You hear that crack, crack, crack? Yes, there's nothing better than freshly cracked black peppercorn. Or in this case, he used the tri-melody that I have, which is the white, black, and red peppercorn mixture. It's like the best of all three worlds.
Basic ingredients. The aroma is crazy.
It really was, I can't lie. But let me just speed this up because he's just making sure the onions sweat. And I must say, yummy, yummy.
That's what's beautiful. Yummy, yummy.
For this recipe, be sure to use any white wine you like. Literally, I got the cheapest one I can find. And that bottle right there cost me $3.99. It was a steal, okay? Oh, no, did y'all catch a little trick he did with the pop? That's that party sauce. This sauce right here is about to be a party in our tummy, okay? Let's pour it up. Yes. He got a little white wine, to, or a lot of white wine, I should say, to the mixture. And we're going to bring it to boil, a quick high boil, and then he's going to reduce the fire. Next comes the heavy cream to add to the nice little creamy consistency, the little buttery nice finish. So right now he is whisking it around, spooning it, stirring it, whatever you want to call it. He's trying to just make all the ingredients in this become one and marry each other. He's seasoning the sauce lightly with what appears to be, to me, adobo or some type of chicken stock or something very nice and flavorful. I was not in the kitchen with him, nor did he say it to the camera, so I'm guessing that's his little secret. So with this sauce, season it as you please lightly with your go-to seasonings to stay on the safe side. But if anything, just add a little adobo, and right here he's adding a little flour or starch. All right, so he does this so that the sauce gets a little texture to it, a little thickness to it. It's not going to be thick like a jam or a glaze, but it will be not like water. So therefore it will latch onto anything that's dipped into it. In this instance, it will be crab legs. That little back of the hand spoon trick he did was to make sure that it wasn't too runny. And you see that the line is still there. So that the consistency that is perfect for the milk, for the butter. Guys, and let's get to my creamy, nice, beautiful crab. Yes. We're going to fry that. I'm going to love it. We're going to add a little wet and dry batter. I got a little Heineken. Oh! No egg broke behind the fridge. But God is good, because look what happened. Hey, oh, that was another egg, but it's not. So we got our beer for this beautiful concoction with our crab. And then we got this, and I'm so grateful that it didn't break, because I don't got the time or the patience to clean up after, you know, doing what we do on a daily basis. So that being said, we're going to get right into this, okay? I'm going to just pre-crack this right here. And this, ooh, bam. And that other one, just because, just to get it out the way. And then my friend will take it away. Take it away. Take it away, Dean Kitchen. Okay, hold on. Clean as you go. Tip. Pro tip. Clean as you go so you're not stressed when you wake up in the morning like, what is going on? I hated it, but it works, okay? Clean as you go. Try to. All right, Dean's Kitchen coming through with, woo! What is that? Oh, no. That's a whole damn flour cup. Can you put a little flour in there?
I know how to measure.
Hello. We're measuring this thing out. The extra flour in there is about, I'll say 2 cups, approximately, right?
A cup and a half.
A cup and a half. No, I said 2 cups, and I looked back, I was like,
a cup and a half.
There you go. Cup and a half. You heard the man. About a cup and a half.
So guys, make sure to flavor your flour the way you like your seafood. If you want a little Cajun style, add some Cajun. Right here, he seasoned it with some spices like garlic, crushed black pepper, onion, a little bit of Alaris, I should say, or Old Bay.
Now this fog is serious.
Too thick, add some more beer. Matter of fact.
There you go. I'm with you. You lit, I think. I can't wait for dinner. Put a little salt in this, okay? You just threw a little salt. We're about to put, it don't matter if it's basic, okay? Little, he thinks it's basic, but he is chef, so everything is basic to him. And got some fresh peppercorn right here, getting crushed on this crab.
I ain't gonna lie, this pepper hit different.
Hello.
You know, it does.
It do. It do.
It really does.
It hit different, like you heard the chef. Got a little salt in there, a little, ooh, little garlic powder. You know it's hitting when all those three come out. Whatever else is extra. Whatever else is extra. A little onion, garlic, a little Old Bay. Okay. Old Bay is right with me when he's on my seafood.
Honestly, I love my deep fryer. Was all these shakes necessary? No, but I feel like I'm working in the restaurant right now.
Guys. Okay, let's start this over. Got the oil nice and heated.
Guys, I meant a deep fryer, not an oven.
Like
A deep fryer.
320 degrees, because that's the lowest we can get. All right, so we got a little crab legs we're going to throw in there. Like the whoop. Shut the rest or not? Shut the rest or not?
Oh, yeah.
Two.
I like that.
I like
That's good. People like when you be real.
Well, okay, let's throw it over one. Oh.
And it's at this moment he regretted telling me to dump it all, knowing that I'm clumsy. If you can guess what happened here, let me know down in the comments below. Okay, now that the crab meat is all nicely coated with that light, thin beer batter, that's going to give that nice little crisp, but it's not going to be overbearing. Make sure that you shake off all that excess batter, and make sure not to try to touch the crab meat. Let the crab meat not touch one another. There we go. The faster we do this, the better. So let's speed this up.
That's what the color is. Where's his wrist?
Guys, I'm so excited with just how this turned out. It was so amazing. I wish I was able to capture so much more of the finishing plate, but this is the best one you're gonna get right here. Bing! Because my friend never ever recorded a video. He did not understand how long the cooking process took. So by the end of a couple of pictures, he was like, no, I'm ready to eat. And I couldn't blame him because I was about that time too. So my friends took their place to go with my Asian Korean barbecue sauce. Check out the previous videos for the rest. Or you can just check out the description below. And I'll also add my friend's tag. So feel free to check out his Instagram page. And just in case you haven't yet, please like, share, and comment. And I'm figuring subscribe, but if not, subscribe too, okay?